Now that you know the basics of the BSc Honors degree, let's examine your psychology or psych degree program. In order to graduate in your BSc Honors psychology degree, you must complete a minimum of 120 credits with an overall cumulative grade point average of 5.0, or a C+. In addition, you must also achieve a minimum grade of 4.0, or a C, in Psych 1010. Here is a visual representation of your degree. We will review this chart again at the end of the presentation. The main components of a BSc degree include general education and basic science requirements, science requirements outside of the major requirements, in your case psychology courses, and upper level requirements. Let's examine each of these components more carefully. Please note, as a transfer student, you may have been granted credits from your previous studies. In a later presentation, we will explain how to determine and apply your transfer credits.
The general education requirements for your degree are as follows. A minimum of 18 credits, 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from the humanities area, 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from the social science area, and 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from the humanities or social science area. To confirm if a course is eligible for general education, please visit the current student's webpage. Click on Search for Courses. Click on Search Courses by General Education. On this page, select your faculty, the Faculty of Health, then select your degree type and click on Search Courses. This list will show you all eligible general education courses being offered in the upcoming academic session. Using the column on the far right, you can determine which general education area the course satisfies. For example, the course displayed on the screen satisfies your social science requirement.
For the basic science requirements, students are required to choose a minimum of 15 credits from the following: 6 credits in mathematics, selected from the following; 3 credits in computer science, selected from the following courses. Please note that CSC 1570 is recommended for psych majors. Because it requires Math 1505 to be completed first, students typically take this course in their second year. Finally, you will need to take 6 credits of introductory science courses selected from the following list. You must also take an additional minimum of 9 credits in science disciplines outside your major, of which 3 credits must be at the 2000 level or above. These courses can be taken from the following: all courses offered through the Faculty of Science, and all kinesiology and health science courses, excluding the courses listed below. Okay, so now that we reviewed the general education, basic science, and outside major science elective requirements, let's talk about your major course requirements. Major courses refer to credits that you need to take in the program to which you've been admitted, in your case, psychology. For an honors BSc, you will need at least 42, but no more than 54 credits in psychology. As part of the 42 to 54 credits you require for your major, you must complete the following courses: Psych 1010, Introduction to Psychology, and achieve a minimum grade of C. You will also need to take Psych 2020, Statistical Methods 1 and 2, or Substitutions, and Psych 2030, Introduction to Research Methods. These core methodology courses will be taken in your second year. To assure that you acquire some breadth within psychology, you must take at least one 3-credit course from each of the 2 series of courses, which represent core areas of psychology, at least 3 credits from the social and clinical areas listed below, and at least 3 credits from the biological and cognitive areas, again listed below. Typically, these courses would also be taken in your second year. In the final year of the program, you will take at least 12 credits in psychology at the 4000 level. 6 of the 12 credits will be taken from the following list of courses. The completion of these courses will ensure that you will have a solid foundation in the study of psychology. As discussed in the previous presentation, upper-level credits are courses that undergraduate students generally take in their 3rd and 4th year of studies. As a Psych Honors BSc student, you are required to take 42 upper-level credits at the 3,000 or 4,000 level. The last piece of information you need to know about your BSc degree are the graduation requirements. You must successfully complete a minimum of 120 credits and maintain honor standing, which is an overall grade point average of 5, or a C+. Now let's take a look at what your 120 credits psych degree looks like. You will need 33 general education and basic science credits, 9 science credits taken outside of the major, at least 42 psychology major credits, and 36 additional credits. Don't forget, of the 120 total credits needed to graduate, 42 must be upper level credits.